Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be telling you how much I got on YouTube, my first paycheck on YouTube. So this is Ahima. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for passing by. So before you get paid on YouTube, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours within a year. But if you're unable to reach that target within a year, it's not a problem. You can continue in the following year. So I actually had my 4,000 watch hours before getting my 1,000 subscribers. So when I got my 1,000 subscribers in the month of April, 4th of April, YouTube sent me an email that I've reached my target and I should come. I should join the YouTube partner program. That was so nice. That was a happy moment. I was so happy about it because I had this sleepless night trying to grow this channel, and finally I'm going to achieve my goals. So I was asked to read their policies and I did, and I confirmed it. I was asked to create an ADSENSE account for my payment to be paid through that place, and I already had one, so I just have to link it to my YouTube channel. And then the last one was to wait for you to get $100 threshold before you be paid out, and that you were not supposed to do anything. So on June 3rd, I was sent an email that I've reached my $100 threshold, and they've sent me my PIN. I was very happy about it because I was like, it didn't take long. So they sent me my PIN to my box, and the box is very important. You need to put in the correct box so that when YouTube is sending you your PIN, it wouldn't get to anyone, because if you make a mistake, you're not going to get your PIN. So they sent me the PIN and I didn't receive it. I tried, and yes, I already have a video on the issues that I had with my PIN. So I will leave the link so that you can just go and check it out. So when I finally got my PIN confirmed, I was supposed to receive my first payment, but I didn't. So I tried to find out why, and they told me I haven't reached my $100 threshold. I was surprised because I already have an email that I've reached my $100 threshold, and I didn't know where this was coming from. But I was like, it's okay. No matter how long it takes, they would still send the money. So I just allowed them to do whatever that they want to do. So in the month of November 21st, they sent an email that they've sent me my first pay into my bank account, and I should go to ADSENSE and go and check how much. So I opened ADSENSE on my phone, I logged in, and I went to payment, and I found out that they sent this amount into my account. I wasn't so sure because on my revenue it is written an estimated revenue, so I was thinking like maybe that is not the actual money that have been sent into my account. So I was waiting that my bank will process everything, and then I'll just go and check how much I have in my account. So when everything was done, I checked into my bank, and the estimated revenue was the actual money they sent me. So that means on our revenue tab on our YouTube studio, the estimated revenue isn't estimated by, it is your actual revenue. That is the actual money you are getting on YouTube. So if you are making $3 in a month, you can just calculate how long it's going to take you to get 100. So on my first month, which was April, was it? Yeah, April when I started the partnership thing, I had 1.34 for the whole month. Wow, it was bad though. So my revenue started rising when I posted this video, Deadly Clash, and my revenue started rising. So I'm going to leave that Deadly Clash link so that you can go and check it. It's actually pushed my revenue. So before I leave this video, please, when you join the YouTube partner program, make sure you turn on the monetization on every video. When you go to YouTube studio, you can use the phone, you can go to YouTube studio on your Chrome, you log in or you sign in, and then you check on it. There is a dollar sign there. So on each video, make sure you turn that dollar sign there, because that is the only way you're going to get paid. YouTube does not pay you. It is AdSense that pays you. So meaning the advert that you place on your videos, that is where you're going to get your source of income. So if you do not turn on those adverts, you're not going to get anything from that video. YouTube is not going to pay you anything, because for my first pay, it shows that it is only the advert that I got my payment from. So make sure you turn on your monetization on each video. That is where you are going to get money. And if you have a video longer than 7 minutes, that is 8 minutes video, make sure you put in more adverts, but it shouldn't be too plenty that your viewers will get bored and stop watching your video. You should place more adverts on that video. Guys, this is my actual face pay on YouTube. And if you did love this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And share this video. Maybe somebody wants to start his or her own channel, would love to watch this video, would love to watch such videos to motivate them. But please do not give up. If you really want to win, then you do not have to give up, because when I actually saw that money, I was discouraged, but I'm not giving up. I'm going to continue, and I know that one day I'm going to get something better, and I will surely come and share with you that very moment, the moment of joy. I'm going to share with you. So I love you all, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. So guys, so this is how much I actually made for my first, okay, how much I actually made on my first YouTube. How much I actually made. How much I actually made. How much I actually made for my first pay. Wow. Okay, this is how much I actually made on YouTube for my first. This is how much, guys, the English is not coming. Guys, this is how much I actually made on YouTube. My first pay on YouTube.